Ms. Robbins, you are now charged with yet another case. How many times she missed court here? Connor, come on up.
Hey, Judge.
I know she's your client, right?
Yes, I'm the bond holder case. Yes. So,
You just missed once on June.
so what happened, Judge, is there was a complaint filed recently about a case that was 2 years ago. And then on that day, we reset her to get her here, and she was unable to make it on that day. And then she forfeited. So then she got rearrested, and then we're here.
So the possession case was from April, and then right after that one, she picks up a burglary of a motor vehicle.
The BMV is from 2022, but the complaint wasn't filed until one day until the statute of limitations ran.
You're right. Have we found probable cause on it? Do you know?
I don't think so.
So, Ms. Robbins, you're charged with 2 cases. You're charged with burglary of a motor vehicle. You're also charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine on both of those cases. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you, man. So I guess start with the burglary case, if you don't mind.
Officers conducted a follow-up investigation and found that on May 23rd, 2024, the defendant had been identified as entering the complaining witness's car with her consent. Officers spoke with the business owner who provided a video and photos of the incident, which were then matched with the defendant's Facebook photos, which was provided by the complaining witness. The video showed the defendant entering the passenger side of the complaining witness's vehicle, removing items, and getting into another car. And I apologize, Your Honor, it was wrong date in the summary, but it's 2022.
So that is because I was, okay. Did they get the property back? Now, can we go ahead on the other case? Do you mind?
Officers conducted a traffic stop in Harris County, Texas, because the vehicle had a headlight out. The officer asked the driver for consent to search the vehicle. Consent was given. While searching the vehicle, the officer located a black purse that belonged to the defendant, who was the passenger of the vehicle. The officer asked the defendant for consent to search the purse, and the defendant gave consent. Upon searching the purse, the officer located a Rexall pill bottle that contained 2 white pills that had the imprint of M367 on it. The officer, from his training and experience, identified the pill as hydrocodone pills and detained the defendant, and the total weight was 1.3 grams.
And I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with both of your cases. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, or unprescribed controlled medication, and not to have any contact with the complaining witnesses in the burglary case. If you understand your condition, if you violate these conditions, if you consume alcohol or dope, I'm going to put you in jail. If you show me that you can't stop, I will put you in a rehab facility. Do you understand? So you can either do it your way. If that doesn't work, we will do it my way. And I promise you're not going to like the way that I do it. Do you understand?
Just for reference, what is the name of the complaining witness?
It is James
Whitehouse.
So Tracy, if you can do the conditions on the burglary case, please. No weapons, no alcohol, no drugs, no contact with complaining witness. Ms. Robbins, it is your responsibility to stay in touch with Connor. He will tell you when you have court. I'm not going to put up with any flight. You take off on us, you don't show up again. You will be, you will not get any more PR bonds. You understand, man? The only thing we're asking you to do is come back and stay out of trouble and don't use anything you're not supposed to use. All right. For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset and then you'll meet with Tracy for your bond conditions. All right. Thanks, Connor.